is the Make It Miniverse, and it is a Make It Mini Animal Series 2. What we ended up having is this fancy little goldfish. No, it's not, it's a Fancy Guppy, I'm sorry. I owned like this 250 litre aquarium at one point, and guppies were one of my favourites. This is what we have, it is here, we have the collection. And all we need to do is number 1, which is the resin, which acts as the water. Don't forget the little guppy who is on a little kind of clear stand. And we do have some little tiny tweezers to apply everything. So it says leave it in the sun for 10 to 15 minutes to cure. I do have a UV light to cure it with quicker if we need to. Already forgotten. Gravel, pink gravel. Pink gravel is here. It's very dense. It does feel like maybe bits of plastic. Heavy though. So we have the Fancy Guppy. So our Aqua Sun Co. 100% happy pebbles. Let's get some scissors. Let's try our best not to get it everywhere. There we go. In you go. And let's take these out. Our little tweezers. It's in the shop. That might help us. Let's pack it in there nicely. Try and get a little. So we do have a little tiny little treasure chest. Let's probably put it there and push it in slightly. Not the goldfish, the guppy. It's not just a plastic bag, like not just a plastic box. It is in the shape of a bag. You know, like one of those little transparent bags you get at the aquarium when you're buying fish. Check your little fish is in a bag. Let's untie it. And we have a little tiny guppy. There's our tweezers. Tweezers on the tail. It does have a little transparent stand if we want to make it look like he's swimming. There he is. Little Mr. Guppy. So now we need to pour the resin into the bowl. 15 minutes. Try and open it first. Let's hope there's enough in here because it would suck if there wasn't. But it is covering the fish. Gonna give it some minutes to cure and we'll get right back to it. Several minutes have passed and I left it out in the sunshine and we've got some massive bubbles near the chest. Little fish is in his tomb of resin, hard as you can see. And I will get another video outside. I'll go outside and get some more videos of that in the sunshine. But yeah, I really do like it. Really cute. And yeah, that is a Fancy Guppy. Thank you for watching. I've been Vicky from Tales from the Trails. All the best and happy trails.
Ribbo!